Kementeri ketenat ke kuat ke kia ke kong amperin leng do anin kesengi kala IT ya ke kali outreach vehicle syaka Meghalaya State Network for Positive People ne ke MSNP Positive ke bertemu ban penklan ya ke jing ai jing kershan na ke benta ki brio ki badan ya ke Jingpang HIV AIDS lano senyang ya ke ni ke kali da ulampang ke yang darbar tau an ke jela. Hapakren bat kilat patai kubor ke kong amperin leng do kala pentip baki dan hadu lai spak handai pun riu ngut ki brio ki balayap na ke Jingpang HIV AIDS ha Meghalaya. Kalau pentip ro bahaduk mentai ki dan kumpa shipo hajar ngut ki breu ki bayo ya ke Jingpang HIV ha ke jela na kini khanda hajar saus pa angut ki dang dan hapo ke jingsha sumar kat banyo spa angut pat kim tre ban sumar ya ladi hapa pen pau ya ke jing sngau kya halor ke jing bombyang kasru kom ai jing sumar ke menteri ke kot ke kya kala pentikina ba ke sarkar kan shim kya pura ba an amdan uwei ro nongpang HIV ban sha pen pai no na ki hospital na ka daw ke jing bombyang ki dawai da shin.
We shall not disadvantage people living with HIV/AIDS. We shall not make their lives harder by isolating them from mainstream community and society. We must make sure that these numbers which are growing in the state of Meghalaya are attended to. Approximately 10,000 plus people as of today. Out of the 10,000 people, 9,421 are undergoing treatment, 785 are refusing treatment. We are looking at this number of people who die because of HIV/AIDS. So when we compare, we now have a data. This was something which was not available in the state at one point of time. About almost 2 decades ago, we did not know how to deal with it, but now we have the data. We are coordinating between the Directorate of Health Services, the Directorate of MCH, and the Directorate of Research. Each of these directorates have to coordinatedly put in an effort. We are going to address this problem. And we are telling people that HIV/AIDS is no longer a taboo. It is a problem to be dealt with. We will break up this problem. We will look at what needs to get done, and we will leave no stone unturned. And today the Honorable Speaker himself has led the government forward in this right direction by designating some funds for the procurement of a vehicle for the lead NGO, which is actually working silently in the field